Software here. How's it going? I want to do a quick video here talking about using your blog as also somewhat of a sales page. As most of you know, having a blog and writing blog posts is a great way to generate leads, email leads, build your email list, and whatnot, right? And one problem that most blogs have, and I used to have myself, is a lot of the opt-in forms. For example, most people have in the widget area an opt-in form or a call to action to sign up for whatever the giveaway is, whatever your lead magnet is, so people will become a lead. But what happens if you sent this blog post or even another blog post to somebody that's already on your email list and they don't want to sign up again? They don't need to sign up again. They're already a subscriber. So here's where you can actually control a lot of that. I just picked this blog post as an example. It's one of my last ones. Here I have a widget that is a call to action for the 10-day attraction marketing bootcamp. Okay, so that's what happens if they click on the orange button here in this widget. As you scroll down, this in content, this is called an in content section. Kind of looks like an ad, but that's basically the same thing. Click on that, you get a pop-up. For a lightbox pop-up for opt-ins for that one, and I have a few more, but I'm only going to point out a few. And then obviously as you scroll down through the blog post down towards the end, and I might even have them mixed in here, but there's going to be a hyperlink like this one, for example, that you link to an opt-in form as well. Now these you can't really control that much unless you really go and personally change them. But here's another one, a footer, a post content footer, opt-in. This one could be done the same thing. So let me show you how to have a different call to action for the people that are already on your email list. Because they don't need to sign up again for, let's say, the boot camp. But maybe they might be interested in the Twitter ebook, right? So let me show you how we do that using Thrive Leads. So if you are if you got your website through our website, through our system, you definitely have access to Thrive Leads. If you don't already have it, most of you probably have it if you're watching this video, but if you don't have it and you want it, let me know. We'll make sure you get it. It is included as an option of our service, okay? So here I have 3 different lead groups, okay? So I'm going to go click to Advanced Features and click on Smart Links and define where you want to send your visitors. We're going to send them to a post. Okay, you can also do a page. Start typing. I think this one was called How, yeah, there we go. How Building a Brand, You Incorporated. Okay, and then you can target all the forms on your site or only certain lead groups. So I'm only going to target the AMF, which stands for Attraction Marketing Formula, right? Attraction Marketing lead group. Okay. Now, step 4 is, what should the behavior of the form be? What do you want to happen? You can either completely hide the forms, so they're not there, or you can display the already subscribed state of the form. Now, I have already created those. Obviously, you would not use that unless you have created those states or versions of the form. Now, step 5 is, how long should this behavior last for? Only once until the visitor closes the browser tab, a custom period of time, like you could go a month, you could go a year, whatever, right? Or for as long as possible. I generally do for as long as possible, and set that, and then you copy this link. Okay, so it's going to copy this link. It makes a custom smart link for that blog post. Now, let me show you what happens if I go to that link. Paste and go. I know if you guys can see this in my browser, but it's got a long line of coding and whatnot behind the normal link. So let me see if this worked on the first crack. It should. Let's give it just a second to finish loading. I know my Facebook Lightbox is usually the last part to load. Yeah, it's definitely working. This is the already subscribed version of that other widget that we had seen before. And if they click on the button, it goes to the sales page for the attraction marketing formula. In other words, it's not, the call to action is to buy the attraction marketing formula, not for them to subscribe for the boot camp, right? Same thing right here. Attraction marketing formula simply works. Click the button to purchase this book and learn how to attract more people instead of chasing after them, right? And the button would go to the sales page for the attraction marketing formula. So you can do that with any lead group. Like I have the same thing for my Twitter lead group and also for my personal branding lead group. So you can do it with widgets. You can do it with in-content boxes or looks like an ad, whatever, like this one right here. You can do it with a post footer. The only thing it would obviously not work for is if you hyperlink something in the blog post. Like for example, the link here down at the bottom, or the links, I think I have more than one here, like right here. This would still obviously be linked to the opt-in. So that's the only one that it would not do according to what the lead smart link. The smart link will basically allow you to change the state of the widget or the content box. You could also have pop-ups where it pops up on your screen. I know a lot of people hate those, but they do get a lot of opt-ins. I have personally tested them. I've gotten a fair amount of leads from pop-ups, and again, you can do switch the state on a pop-up just like you can on the widgets and the rest of the stuff. So that's one of the great features of being a Thrive Themes member and having access to all their products. Thrive. This plugin is called Thrive Leads, available from thrivethemes.com, or it's a part of your package if you have our Troyer website package. So thanks for watching. Feel free to share this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.